The moment I was waiting for. Yes guys, the wait is over. 3.0 is launched. The AI video generation game has now reached the next level because officially Clickfilm 3.0 has been launched. In this version, you get better shooting motion, multiple camera angles, and enhanced audio quality, which creates clips that look just like real cinematic movies. So today, I'll show you its workflow and how you can use Click 3.0 to create a proper cinematic movie. Let's get started. On the computer screen, okay guys, now we are on our computer screen. And as you can see, Clickfilm's Click 3.0 has been launched. As soon as Click 3.0 launched, I tried to inform you first. So you can directly search for Higgsfield AI or Higgsfilm on Google, or you can access it from the link in my description as well. Just click the link in my description to open the website. After that, you'll see Click 3.0 here. Click on it, and as soon as you do, Click 3.0 will open up for you, from where we can start shooting. Multiple cameras, angles, motion, all of these are presented here in a very cinematic way. Alright, let's talk about what this can actually do, friends. Now 3.0 has become much more enhanced and advanced, as I'm trying to show you here. There's the Kling motion, then there was Click 2.5, Click 2.6, but now its most upgraded and enhanced version has arrived, Click 3.0, which I have selected here as the model. Now what do you need to do here? You get a start frame and an end frame. So what are their functions? Basically, in the start frame, you can upload any reference photo, and in the end frame, you can show another photo. So basically, in the start frame, you can select any reference image, just like I have selected an image here to show you. You can see it here. Let me try to show you. First of all, here I have created a photo, as you can see, and this is a photo of me and a model. So in this way, I have created a photo. Let's select this photo. So in the start frame, you can select your reference photo from here. Then here you get another option to see multiple shots. Okay friends, so what happens with multiple shots is that when you turn this on, you get shots to shoot from many different camera angles. For example, you can describe here from which angle you want to take which shot. You can turn on multiple shots from here, and after that you can also add elements from here. So for now, let me show you how to use it. Okay, for that I'll write on ChatGPT here, ChatGPT. I typed ChatGPT and searched, and here ChatGPT has opened. Alright, now from here, whatever you want to generate or however you want to create it, you can write it here. Alright, so what have I done? Simply, here I clicked on the plus button, then clicked on attach, and from here I selected my photo like this, first of all, and then I wrote here what I wanted to say. So that's how I wrote it. Now give me 5 angle shots. After that I wrote, give me a medium shot, okay, then here, give me a reverse shot, okay, and from here, give me an orbit camera. In this way, I have written and shown you something here. Alright, so I sent it like this. Okay, after sending it, you can see here that it will analyze this. Now what will I do? Here, I will also include what your character and this character want to say in their dialogue. Okay guys, so I had already written some prompts here. I have already given it the dialogue here in Notepad. Alright, as soon as I entered the dialogue here, you can see that it has started creating it. All the prompts are ready. Now what we'll do is let this prompt get created first. So finally guys, my prompt is ready. Here you can see that our prompt has been written out like this. Alright, here you can see that the prompt for scene 2 is done. This is fine, and the prompt for scene 1 is done as well. Alright, so what do you need to do? You need to generate prompts like this, or you can also write them yourself. So for now, I have copied it like this, and I've come here, and here you need to turn on multiple shorts. Alright, and here, for scene 1, you can either write the prompt yourself or generate it here with the help of ChatGPT. So for now, I have done this for the first scene like this. Okay, after that, you need to click on add short here. Then here you have the second scene. Alright, so here's my second scene. Okay, reverse camera shoot. So we simply need to paste this prompt here as well. If you want, you can also write it yourself. So for now, by clicking on add short like this, you can select as many shorts as you want for a single 15-second video from here. After that, I'll add all the shorts here one by one. Alright, and guys, for example, here is one of our shorts. The first short, you can also add elements to it. Here, if you click on rate off and then click on create new element, you can add any reference video or image from here. For example, I just added this photo here. So in this way, you can use a reference image or even a reference video here. You can add up to 3 images from here. Alright, here you can write the name of the image or the character, and you can also describe what it should be like. So you can see something like this here, and when you generate from here, it will be generated. I'm just showing you that it will be generated here like this, and in this way, as you generate your model, a 3D model will be ready like this. Alright, so you can use it from here like this. By clicking on the element, that's fine. For now, I don't need this requirement, but if you do, you can also use it. So, our third scene has been added here, and after that, I'll quickly copy the fourth scene from here as well. Now, since you can generate a video of up to 15 seconds at a time, that's why my fifth one here has reached 33 seconds. So that's already 15 seconds. Now, we simply need to click on generate. As soon as you click on generate, a video like this will be generated, as you can see.
I just can't believe I'm with you.
Alright then. I love you, Babu.
Damanaji, how are you so beautiful?
Because I eat Vimal, that's why.
Everyone like Vishal G's video.
So friends, this is truly an amazing video, and if you do not have a plan yet, you can get their plan from here as well. They are offering an exclusive plan, an early access plan right here. You will have to pay some charges here, as you can see their plan, and you can get the early access plan from here. Okay guys, so this is how you can use Click 3.0. Okay guys, I hope you have understood how to use Link 3.0. You can use it in a really great way. I will tell you about its next part, in which I will explain the A to Z process of how you can use it. For now, if you want to try it, the link is given in the description. You can go to this website on Higgsfield AI, or you can directly use Click 3.0 from the link I have provided in the description. Thank you so much.